What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a blessed and positive day. It's your girl, M. Williams, licensed master stylist, and this is Sugar Salon TV. Thank you to my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. If you end up watching this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? Please give me a thumbs up. So, you guys, I made a lace wig, and so I'm just going to show you some of the construction of the wig. Right here, I'm just showing you the end results, but just stay to the end and you can see me show you all the way through this wig. So I've done the wig, I've made it already, as you can see. And so I'm just flat ironing it out with my Babyliss flat iron. Just pressing it out. And so this was a wig repair. This was a wig repair. And so if you stay to the very end, you will see a video where I'm taking the hair off of the cap. The client, she actually had someone else make the wig, and the construction of it was not great. So I simply cut the hair off the wig and reuse the bundles. And I was asking her, where in the world did you get this hair? So you guys see this game changer right here. Let me pause for the calls. And I did not measure her head size, so I made the strap a Velcro strap, and she can adjust it to whatever size that she wants. So she can adjust it to whatever tightness that is her comfort level. And I made it on a 22-inch circumference on this head, on this wig head. I'm showing you everything about the wig. I'm letting you get up close and personal with this wig that I just completed. And so she had the wig made previously by somebody else. I remade the wig all over using the same hair. So I also put, along with the straps, I put 3 combs on here, 3 wig combs, 1 in the back and 2 on each side, just to make sure that her comfort level, because her concern with the wig and the way that the other person made it was she didn't like how it fit. She said it didn't fit well, and she said the top of the wig bulked up. It kind of rose up and it was kind of sticking up. So I'm showing you the lace, but I have yet to cut the cap underneath, so that's why you see the lace look dark. The lace at the roots look dark. So I'm showing you up close and personal on this wig that I made. This is a lace front wig. So I'm showing that you can wear this in a bang if you like, or you can wear it parted. And the lace, I have not cut it. It's still there. I'm going to ship her the wig. If she want me to cut the lace for her, I will. But again, it has an elastic band. And I made it with a Velcro so that she can adjust it to whatever is her comfort level as far as how tight she want the wig on. So I'm showing the inside of the wig, the lace. This is a brand new lace. And I'm showing the construct of that, how I stitched that on, and I'm showing you that. So I have cut the cap underneath, and so that's why now at the roots you can see through the scalp. So now some people wear a stocking cap underneath, some put makeup on it. This is a transparent lace, and so some people wear a stocking cap in whatever color you want, and some do get the nude stocking cap and then they put the makeup on it. And however she like to do it, it's very universal. It's up to her liking. Now you guys, this is just showing you some finished looks And I'm actually going to link the other video below instead of attaching it here. I'm going to link it down below in the description box, and you can click on it to see me taking this wig loose from the initial cap. And again, she didn't like how the other stylist made it, so I simply made it over. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it.